हाथी राजा कहाँ चले, सूंड हिला के कहाँ चले, मेरे घर भी आओ ना, हलवा पूरी खाओ ना, आओ बैठो कुर्सी पर, कुर्सी बोली चटर पटर, चटर पटर चटर पटर।
Very nice. Same manner, we want one poem in English.
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lie, no, Papa. Open your mouth. Ha ha ha.
So, Prajita Priya, first of all, I want about your introduction. So, tell me about yourself.
Yes, sir. Myself, Aprajita Priya, and I belong from Palamu, Jharkhand. I
Okay.
completed my education from Daltonganj, Palamu, and I served myself as a teacher in a Springdale Play School. And there was a nice experience, and I enjoyed teaching profession. And it is not for profession only me, but also it's my passion. And I love to face challenges and take risks also. And I deal with children with very easy. And uh, I love to spend more time with children. And I like reading, cycling, driving, and movies, songs, etc. Also, and uh, I I believe that curiosity is key to learning, and in fact, shows that study shows that curious, if we are curious about a topic or subject, so that we take more interest and collect more information, and that are rememberable for us.
Okay. Very good. Now, you tell me that since you are a PRT teacher, so what type of qualities a PRT teacher must have, according to you?
Uh, Quality of PRT teacher must have calm, patience, and determination also, and situation handle any type of situations with children, and different strategy.
Okay. Since you are going for PRT, tell one Hindi poem which is your favorite and which you recite in front of kids.
Okay,
It should be in expressions, not without expressions.
okay, okay. It's Hathi Raja, Hindi poem.
चलेगी मैडम, नो प्रॉब्लम.
Okay. हाथी राजा कहाँ चले, सूंड हिला के कहाँ चले, मेरे घर भी आओ ना, हलवा पूरी खाओ ना, आओ बैठो कुर्सी पर, कुर्सी बोली चटर पटर, चटर पटर चटर पटर।
Very nice. Same manner, we want one poem in English.
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lie, no, Papa. Open your mouth. Ha ha ha.
Very nice. Okay, now I want to ask you a question. Like you opted PRT teacher. So why
Yes.
is it so? There are so many other options. You can go in TCT, you can go in PCT. Why only PRT you opted as your career?
Because TGT, PGT, it's a not for children only. I mean, it's over the 10th of year, um,
Of course.
um, 10-year over children.
Okay.
I just try to spend my time, and I love spend my time, and I love to connect with below of 10-year children.
Okay. Means you have your love towards your kids and you are more comfortable and you can teach better. Is it so?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Okay,
Uh,
suppose in your class there are small kids and very intelligent one kid, but he is talking a lot. All day he talks, but he is very intelligent. Then what
yeah.
you will do? बाकी क्लास में बहुत जनों को डिस्टर्ब भी कर रहा है,
I
बातें कर
will
रहा है.
I will choose him as a monitor, and mm, gave him task that uh, you have to be handle all the class, and you have to be mm, teach to weak student,
Okay.
and get me results in 2 days, yeah, or
Oh,
4 days.
okay, okay. Okay, tell some of your experience that what challenges you face till yet as a PRT teacher. आपने किस तरीके के challenges face किए हैं अभी तक?
Yeah, actually, sir, I serve myself as a teacher in a Springdale Play School, and this is one for me.
Okay,
And there was I 8 months only, and after the COVID-19, school was closed,
okay,
and there was one student is Pankaj, and he is more intelligent with money chapter,
okay,
but he is not intelligent all the subject, not understand the all the subject, and not the well well clean cloth in school. So I just interact with him, and tell him and understand him that how you have to clean come here with clean clothes, and how you understand all the subjects, and which students is strong another subject. So I just tell them that he or she is help them on the subject, and Pankaj is help you in money chapter. So
very,
this is
very nice. Okay, how are you feeling with us? कैसा लग रहा है पीटी क्लासेस के साथ आपको?
nice, sir. Firstly, sir, I feel nervous, but slowly I feel uh, uh, more I feel get mm, good.
Okay,
Yeah.
you are feeling good, you are feeling confident.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that I want only. Now suppose today is your first class with the kids, first day आपका, और
Yes,
बच्चे
sir.
आपके सामने हैं, तो
Yes,
आप
sir.
उन सब बच्चों से अननोन है, किसी को भी जानते नहीं,
Yes, sir.
तो आप क्या करेंगे क्लास में आकर? आपका भी फर्स्ट डे
Firstly,
है.
I yes, sir. Firstly, I introduce them.
No, no, you are
Uh,
not supposed to tell us. You have to do practically. आपके सामने बच्चे बैठे हैं, आप क्लास के अंदर एंटर हुए, अब बताइए आप क्या करेंगे, करके दिखाइए.
okay. Uh, खड़े होने पड़ेंगे मुझे.
हाँ, डजेंट मैटर, इंटरव्यू में खड़े हो सकते हैं. हाँ जी,
Yes.
बच्चे आपके सामने बैठे हैं,
Yeah.
ओके, आप चेयर पीछे कर सकते हैं.
Yeah.
आप चेयर को साइड में कर दीजिए.
Uh, good morning. Okay, sir.
हाँ जी.
Good morning, children. How are you? Okay, good. I am also good. So, I am Aprajita Priya. Here I teach you math subject. And first, you all introduce me. Uh, you students, what is your name? And everyone, please tell me.
Okay, okay, they tell their names and everything. Now after that,
So, wow, nice name, Rahul. Please stand up. You know about the addition. You know, if you, I let me. Sorry, sir. Okay, Rahul, please stand up. So, do you know addition? Okay. So, you have five chocolates, and you have to give your five friends. So, how you distribute them? So one chocolates give one friend, and that's the way. Five chocolates distributed five friends, one each.
okay. Okay, in this manner, you will teach them maths, and with playing, you mean to say total. Okay. Means in playway
Okay.
method, you would like to teach them, right?
Yes, sir.
ओके, हैव योर सीट प्लीज, वापस बैठिए आप। बहुत अच्छा बताया आपने। अपराजिता प्रिया, व्हाट इज योर वीकनेस? आपकी वीकनेस क्या है?
My weakness is in first, I feel very nervous and I just think that how it is possible, how can I do if I started anything. So I feel how can I do? I can do or will not.
Okay.
So this is more.
So, Aparaita, do you want that I should tell you the best weakness for interview?
Yeah,
I will write
sure.
a best weakness for you. Okay, don't worry. Right?
Okay.
Okay. Since we have excellent results in APS interviews all over India, okay, I want that you should also
Yes,
get selected. And you are going
sure.
for PRT, so best wishes to you, especially. Okay, you will definitely get
Okay.
selected.